Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen the system cleaner of Garuda Linux. In this video we are going to check out the partition manager. So the Garuda partition manager is nothing but the KD partition manager. You can see it here. The hard disk is shown here. So the total size of hard disk allocated to this virtual machine is around 60 GB. 8.4 GB is the Linux swap. 51.5 is the root partition. The ZRAM, that is the memory RAM, is 3.8 GB. So we had allocated 4 GB. So out of that, 3.8 GB is usable as a ZRAM. So you get the advantage of compression here, data compression in ZRAM, and it will speed up, will boost the performance of your system. So that's it. And you can also partition any removable drives and all those things from here. So this is all the typical functionality of the KD partition manager that is available here in the Garuda Linux as the Garuda partition manager. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video with more functionality of Garuda Linux. Bye bye.